morning, students. Yesterday we completed tangent normal examples. So yesterday we discussed also which is a tangent and which is a normal. After discussing about the which is a tangent and a normal, in this tangent normal, how we are denoting dy by dx. That means for what purpose we are representing dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but slope of tangent. After getting slope of tangent, easily we can calculate slope of normal also. And after getting these two values, that is the slope of tangent and slope of normal, if you calculate it means, then easily we can calculate the equation of tangent and the equation of normal. So only such type of question he will ask in this concept. Okay, yesterday we completed some examples. I hope you understand those one. Today I am going to explain exercise 3.3, 6.3, exercise 6.3 problems. The first one, what type of question? Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3 into x to the power of 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. That means he is asking, so I given one curve, find the slope of tangent to the curve at x equal to 4, he is asking. Now what we are doing, given curve y is equal to 3 into x to the power of 4 minus 4x. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x. Just derivative of that, finally we got dy by dx equal to 12x cube minus 4. If you calculated dy by dx, the dy by dx is nothing but slope of tangent, you know that. But the slope of a tangent at particular point we will ask. The slope of tangent actually, if you calculate dy by dx is equal to 12x cube minus 4, it is at x comma y. The dy by dx at x comma y. In the place of x comma y, he will give some values. For that, what he given? Slope of tangent at x is equal to 4. That's why I written dy by dx at x equal to 4 means simply the 4 substitute in this place of x. 12 into 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 64 minus 4. 768 minus 4. 764. Simply we just solve like this. Actually, students, these are the 1 mark questions. Actually, now 5 mark questions also there in this exercise. 1 mark question also is there. 1 mark means sometimes he will ask from application or derivative. 1 mark question on this. Sometimes asking the slope of tangent and sometimes he is asking the slope of normal. Sometimes he is asking the equation of tangent or equation of normal. Such type of question. So understand it. In this chapter, in this concept, especially tangent normal, what you have to remember it. So he will give one curve to us. He will give one curve to us, and just derivative of the curve. The derivative of the curve is nothing but slope of tangent, and sometimes he will mention the values of that point. Just take that, find the slope of tangent. Sometimes he will ask the equation of tangent. In this problem, he is asking only slope of tangent. Why means, if you practice yesterday problem is easy, you can understand it. Okay guys, like this, continue 3 problems are there. After understanding this, you have to do as a homework of those 3 problems. That is second one, third one and fourth one. See students, second one, third one, fourth one problems are given on board. First one, find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. X is not equal to 2. Why he given condition means denominator function should not equal to 0. That means x minus 1 by x minus 2, x not equal to 0 means function should be existent. And at x equal to 10, where you have to calculate slope of tangent at x equal to 10, same as. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Whose x coordinate means, first of all, what we are doing, we are differentiating the function with respect to x. That means the meaning of that, dy by dx at x comma y. Originally what we are calculating guys, dy by dx at x comma y we are calculating. So at that time we are getting some expression. So in the place this is x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. And in this problem what he mentioned, the x value is something. X value something is automatically we are substituting the x value in that expression. So that you have to do it. So students, here x coordination means nothing but like what he given at x equal to 2. So x equal to 10, like that you have to calculate x is equal to 2, you should be considered. So slight changes is given, don't confuse it here. So what means, the meaning of x coordinate is 2 means x is equal to 2. And one more is find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. Here also x is equal to 3. These problem, how I solved the first example, that is first problem in this exercise. The same manner, go for derivative of this function. After differentiate of this function, just substitute the 10. Here also differentiate this function and substitute x value to you will get the answer. Here also differentiate that function, substitute the x value equal to 3, like that. Just solve it. First note down. These three are the homework to guys, and especially. And before yesterday, I hope I given some homework to it. How many students you are doing homework? I don't know. Why I am giving means, if the same model comes in examination by changing of the numbers, the same model comes in examination by changing the numbers, how many students are able to solve it? How many students are able to solve it? That I want. For that purpose, I given to you. And if you understand first problem, easily you can solve this one. Clear guys? And especially our fans, last bench students. So take care. But whether you are following the videos, I don't know. Especially last bench and before bench students. If you are doing or not doing, I don't know. But follow it. This is the second year students. Take care about your future. That should be keep in mind and work regularly. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, and theta is equal to pi by 4. Student, in the fifth question he is asking slope of normal he is asking. Up to now, the first four question he is asked about the slope of tangent. Now he is asking about the slope of normal. How do you get slope of normal? First, we have to find slope of tangent. After getting slope of tangent, negative reciprocal of slope of tangent is nothing but slope of normal. That means minus 1 by slope of tangent. So, actually, the given curve in the form of parametric form. Actually, x comma y is the locus point. The locus point, this point is moving on one curve. That curve point parameters, these are x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. Already we worked guys, where we consider x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3 problem. In that we only consider x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. Okay. And there what we did, separately have to take x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. We will get the dx by d theta. Here also we get the dx by, that means up to here guys, what we did in that problem, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Example we did now in parametric form. Same method, the same problem you have to work out completely up to here. The same. That means already we learned that complete problem there only. So additionally what we are doing, here we are calculating dy by dx, that means slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4. That means just theta equal to pi by 4, substitute in that place of theta. Then what do you get? Minus tan pi by 4 means minus 1. And but he doesn't ask slope of tangent. What he asked? He asked slope of normal. So we are going to find out the slope of normal. Slope of normal at pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4. That is minus 1 by minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. Now we calculate the slope of normal. Simple concept guys. So given parametric form, the parametric form should be converted into dy by dx format. Now you got the dy by dx. So in this concept you are getting dy by dx, it is nothing but slope of tangent. The slope of tangent theta is equal to pi by 4 means we got the value. And especially in this problem, what he is asking? He doesn't ask slope of tangent. What he asks? Slope of normal. of normal like this. Okay. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos square theta, and theta equal to pi by 2. And theta equal to pi by 2. Students, observe it. Again, he given parametric form of x and 1. These are in parametric form. So, first what do you do? Take x. X is equal to 1 minus a sin theta. Dx by d theta equal to d by d theta of 1 minus a sin theta. 1 is the constant. Constant derivative is 0. A into sin theta derivative cos theta. Sin theta derivative cos theta. So finally dx by d theta equal to minus a cos theta. And y value. Y is equal to b cos square theta. dy by d theta equal to b into d by d theta of cos square theta. Cos square theta means 2 cos theta into d by d theta cos theta. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. That minus keep outside. Finally, minus 2b into cos theta into sin theta. We calculated dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Both we calculate. After calculating these two values, what we have to find? dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Write the dy by d theta value minus 2b into cos theta into sin theta by minus a cos theta, which is equal to 2b by a sin theta. 2b by a sin theta. Slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. Then 2b by a sin pi by 2. You will get the sin 91. 2b by a. This is called slope of tangent one. But what he asked? Slope of normal. Slope of normal means, hence slope of normal at theta is equal to pi by 2 means minus 1 by slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. Minus 1 by 2b by a is equal to minus a by 2b. Minus a by 2b. Clear guys? Just find like this. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Guys, the meaning of the question is, you just find the points on the curve. Okay, it's giving curve. One tangent meets this curve. That tangent is parallel to x-axis. So whatever you are getting the tangent here now, that tangent is parallel to x-axis. In straight line concept, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. That is, we are clear about that. And what is the slope of x-axis? Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Yesterday also we discussed that. So, slope of x-axis is 0. Now he is telling slope of tangent which is equal to slope of x-axis. What is the meaning of that? Slope of tangent which is equal to slope of x-axis. Clear? Come. Given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 3x square minus 9. Just derivative this 3x square minus 6x minus 9. We got that? What is that? Slope of tangent at x comma y, guys. Slope of tangent at x comma y, that is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Accordingly means from given problem. What do you use? Slope of tangent to the curve. Whatever you are taking the tangent now, that is to the curve, is parallel to x-axis. Really, slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Now, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal. This is actually slope of tangent. This is the slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent is equal to slope of x-axis. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of x-axis. Just take 3 common. X square minus 2x. Minus 3 is equal to 0. I just did factors for that. I got x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1. I got x equal to 3. But what he asked, just find the points on the curve. So, when x equal to 3, calculate the y value. 3 cube minus 3 into, like that I got the minus 20. Now point is, when x is equal to 3 means y value is minus 20. In the same manner, when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to plus 12. Substitute in the place of x minus 1, you will get the plus 12. Minus 1 comma 12. Finally, points are 3 comma minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12. Simple. We differentiate the function. The whatever we are getting the differential of the function, that is dy by dx, is nothing but slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent, which is equal to slope of x-axis. But what is the slope of x-axis? That we know. So you should know the slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis is 0. So take that, equate that. You will get like this. Factorize of that problem. When x is equal to 3, find the value of y. When x is equal to -1, find the value of y. Finally, you get the points. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Means of that, just find the one point. How y is equal to x minus 2 whole square is the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining 2, 0 and 4, 4. One chord is passing through these 2 points. So if a line is passing through 2 points, means from that easily we can calculate the slope for that, and that the slope which is equal to slope of tangent. This is the meaning of this problem. Okay. The chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4, then slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. Then we got the 2. 4 by 2 is the 2. Given curve is y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Given curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x minus 2 whole square. It is 2x. It is not x. That's why dy by dx of x minus 2. This derivative is 1. Finally, we got 2 into x minus 2. 2 into x minus 2. What we did? We calculate the slope of a chord and we calculate the slope of tangent. What he given accordingly means from the given data. Accordingly meaning is what I written accordingly. This is accordingly. Accordingly means from the given data. From the given data, what he said, slope of tangent is equal to slope of chord. That is another meaning. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of chord. 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2. By cancel of these 2, x minus 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 3. When x equal to 3 means y value is 1 because 3 minus 2 whole square means 1. 1 square means 1 only. Finally, hence, point on the curve is x value 3, y value 1. 3, 1. Guys, this is the meaning of that. The slope of a tangent which is equal to slope of a chord. That he given the condition and he given curve and given the 2 points. First, I calculate the slope of a chord and calculate the slope of a tangent. Already he given both are equal. That's why I equated that and I calculated the x value. After getting x value, I find out y value also. Finally, written the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Guys, we are going to find the point on this curve. This is the curve and a given line. That means slope of a tangent which is equal to slope of this line. That is the meaning accordingly condition. According condition is slope of a tangent which is equal to slope of a line. So given line is y is equal to x minus 11. It is look like y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to x minus 11 look like a y is equal to mx plus c. So m is nothing but slope of a line. M in the place of m we have 1. So that's why slope of a line m is equal to 1. Given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x cube minus 11x plus 5. This is 3x square minus 11. 3x square minus 11. That means we calculated slope of a line, slope of a tangent. Accordingly, that means accordingly from the given data, slope of a tangent is equal to slope of a line. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of line. 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square is
Start.
Students, 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. When x equal to 2 means calculate the y value. 2 cube minus 11 into 2 like that. 8 plus 5, 13 minus 22 means minus 9. 2 comma minus 9, 1 is the point. And second one is, when x equal to minus 2 means substitute the minus 2 value. We'll get the 19. We'll get the 19. Minus 2 comma 19. So finally what he asked guys, find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal. That means this is the tangent to this slope. This is the actual line, straight line equation. This is the curve. For this curve, this line is a tangent, means both slopes are equal. The inner meaning is both slopes are equal. No need of parallel. Already you know that, guys. A line is a parallel to itself. A line is a parallel to itself. No problem. So that's why slope of tangent is nothing but a slope of a line. This is meaning. So that's why I calculated a slope of a line, slope of a tangent. I equated both slopes. I got the x value plus or minus 2. And when x equal to means at the place 2 comma minus, and when x equal to minus 2 means I got the minus 2 comma 19. Clear? Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. These lines are related to the y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. That means slope is same. Slope is minus 1. What we did here, given curve is y is equal to 1 by x minus y. Differentiate means it is look like a 1 by x. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. And the given slope of all lines is minus 1. By that, accordingly, slope of a tangent is equal to minus 1. Accordingly, slope of tangent is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 1 means both sides minus will cancel. We will get the x minus 1 whole square equal to 1. X minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Take one time. X minus 1 is equal to plus 1. X minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So, x minus 1 is equal to plus 1 means at that time x is equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to minus 1 means at that time x value is 0. We will get the 2x values. Suppose when x equal to 2 means y value becomes 1. Y become 1. So, the equation of a tangent passing through 2 comma 1 having slope minus 1, applied formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Calculate like that, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 1 by 0 minus 1, we will get the y value is minus 1. The equation of tangent passing through 0 comma minus 1 having slope minus 1, and finally we got the x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We calculate the find the equation of all lines. Which lines are having the slope minus 1? Which lines are having the slopes minus 1? I already calculated these two lines. Understand it? First, differentiate the curve and slope of tangent, which is equal to minus 1. And after that, we are finding the value of x value. After getting the x value, we calculate the y value, and as well as we find out the equation of tangents also. This is the solution of this problem. And today we completed the 10 problems. Actually, I given 3 homeworks in that. That means explained 7 problems explained and 3 problems homework. So students, very simple problems. That's why all are in same method only. Try to understand the question and solve these problems. I hope definitely we do all these things. Thank you.